ಹೈದರಾಬಾದಿನ ನಾಂಪಲ್ಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭೀಕರ ಅಗ್ನಿ ಅವಘಡ ಸಂಭವಿಸಿದೆ. ಘಟನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸೇರಿ 5 ದುರ್ಮರಣವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 4 ಅಂತಸ್ತಿನ ಪೀಠೋಪಕರಣ ಮಳಿಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಗ್ನಿ ದುರಂತ ಸಂಭವಿಸಿದೆ. ಮಳಿಗೆಯ ನೆಲಮಾಳಿಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಂಥ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಅದು ವ್ಯಾಪಿಸ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿದೆ. ಸ್ಥಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಗ್ನಿಶಾಮಕ ದಳದಿಂದ ರಕ್ಷಣಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಚರಣೆ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. 4 ಅಂತಸ್ತಿನ ಪೀಠೋಪಕರಣಗಳೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ ಸುಟ್ಟು ಕರಕಲಾಗಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ವ್ಯಾಪಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಇದು ಹೈದರಾಬಾದಿನ ನಾಂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಮಳಿಗೆ. ಘಟನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸೇರಿ ಒಟ್ಟು 5 ದುರ್ಮರಣ ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನುವ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೆಲವಷ್ಟು ಜನರಿಗೆ ಗಾಯಗಳಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಕೂಡ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ.
Told yesterday that 5 people were trapped. So we have retrieved all the 5 bodies. The first body we retrieved today morning around 9:15, and just now the 5th body has also been retrieved, and all the bodies have been sent to Osmania Hospital. They were like the watchmen, their family, they were working here, and they had given them accommodation in the basement. So 2 of them were actually, they were trying to rescue them, the remaining people, but unfortunately they were also trapped. So it's basically all these people got trapped in the basement because of totally illegal activity that this building owner has been doing. This basement is meant only for parking of vehicles. One of the reasons why it has taken us so long to clear the area, to douse the flame and retrieve the body is because this total basement was blocked by all kinds of material which was heavily flammable. Despite all that, putting maximum resources and equipment at disposal, we were able to douse the flame and got these people out. Yeah, as we were told yesterday,